Fluoramics discount bundles combine popular Fluoramics products into 7 different assortment packages at a discounted price. The gardening bundle includes HinderRUST S4.0, Chem 8, and rust-stopping lubricating oil. The gardening bundle includes everything you need to take care of your gardening tools, equipment, and garden hoses. HinderRUST S4.0 provides rust control and lubrication for metal parts that need protection before and after exposure to the elements. It's great for surface protection to stop corrosion on shovels, cables, clippers, lawnmowers, and other garden tools. Chem 8 can be used on outdoor water faucets, garden hose connections, watering nozzles and attachments, and pressure washers. HinderRUST rust-stopping lubricating oil stops rust in its tracks and provides lubrication for moving parts. The dropper tip bottle makes it easier to apply and get in hard-to-reach places. Click the link in the description to order today at Fluoramics.com or give us a call.